morning students, myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. Today we will start Exit workbook of Maths volume 1 page number 8 S2 of block 2. S2 is arranging numbers in order. Arranging numbers in order. Today's date is 13th of July 2020 and day is Monday. Okay, so let's start. Question 1 is, first of all, what is the mean of arranging? What is the mean of arranging numbers? That means we have to arrange, set up. We have to set up of a number, that which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay, so let's start. Question 1. Write the predecessor and successor of the given number. Predecessor, predecessor, decessor. What is the mean of predecessor? Yes, predecessor means just before a number. Just before a number. That means we will last one in given number. Okay. And what is the mean of successor? Successor. 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 Okay. That means we have to add 1 in given number just after a number. Okay, so let's start, students. Okay, now we have a number and we have to write predecessor of this number. Okay, the number is 56,764. Okay, predecessor means we will last 1 from this number. Okay, and we will last 1 from this number. Okay, now we have number is 56,764 and we will start from ones place. Okay, we will last 1 from ones place and we have 4, 8, ones place. We have 4, 8, ones place. So, we will last 1 from 4. What will come? If we will subtract 1 from 4. Yes, right, students? We will subtract, then we will the number will come 3. The number will come 3. Now the number name will become 56,763. This one is predecessor of this number. Okay. Next we have to solve. Okay. Successor of this number. Successor means we will add 1. Okay. Now we have 4, 8 ones place and we will add in this number. What will come? Yes, right. 56,765. Okay, students. Next, question 2. Question 2. We have write the numbers in order. Order means back to back. Okay. A of question 2. Ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Yes, students. How we stand in assembly? First of all, how to stand in assembly? Yes, right. We always stand smallest to largest in assembly row. We will stand always smallest to largest in assembly. Okay. So, students, A say assembly or A say ascending. This is the way to learn what is the mean of ascending. Okay, we will start from smallest number. Always we will start from smallest number. Okay, now we will compare all numbers. We will compare all numbers. We have here 4-digit numbers. Sorry, 5-digit numbers. All are 5-digit numbers. So students, we will compare from the largest place. From the largest place, and we have largest place 1000. Okay, 1000. Now we have 8,000 place in first number 1, and in second number also we have 1. Okay, and third number also we have 1, and in fourth number also we have 1. So students, we can't identify that which number is smaller, which number is smaller. So we will come at next place. The next place is 1000. Yes, 1000. Now we have 8,000 0 in first number. In second number also we have 0, and in third number we have 7, and in fourth number also we have 7. That means both numbers are greater, because 0 is smaller and 7 is greater. So both numbers are greater. So we will compare these numbers after. Okay. Now we will compare to both numbers. Okay. Now come on next place. In next place we have 7, and in another number also we have 7. Okay. So both numbers are similar. Okay. Both numbers are similar. That means equal. So come on next place. At the next place is we have 6 at 10th place, and in another number we have 3 at 10th place. Okay. Now we can compare easily that 6 is greater or 3. Yes, students, right. 6 is greater, and we are doing ascending order. That means first of all we will write smallest number. Now this one is smallest number. This one is smallest number. So the number is 10,736, and the second number will come. Yes, what number will come? Right, 10,763. Both numbers are done. Okay. Next we have here 7, 8,000 place, and in second number also we have 7. Okay, both numbers are equal. So we will come on next place. Next place, what is the next place? Yes, right. Next place is 100. Next place is 100, and we have 7 in first number, and in another number we have 6. Which one is smaller? 6 or 7? Yes, students, tell me, which one is smaller? 6 or 7? Yes, right, 6 is smaller. So we have this number is smaller. What number is? Yes, 17,637. Okay, students, and next number will come. Next number is 17,736. Next number is 17,736. This is ascending order. This is ascending order. Okay. So students, clear everyone? Ascending order. Okay. Now next is B of question number 2. Okay. Question B is descending order. Descending order. Descending की spelling. What is the spelling of descending? D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Yes, repeat with me. D-E-S-C-E-N D-I-N-G. Descending order. What is the descending order? In descending order, we always write greatest number. We always start from greatest number. Okay, students? Yes, let's start. Let's start. We have first number is 82,990. Second number is 89,990. Third number is 82,929 and fourth number is 89,292. So students, in descending order we always write greatest number, largest number. So compare. Okay. Now I told you before also, from which place we will start? Yes? Yes, right. We will start from the largest place. Okay. Now largest place is 10,000. We have 8 in all numbers 8 10,000 place. So both all numbers are equal. So we will compare next number. So we will compare next place. Okay. Next place is 1000 and in first number we have 2. We have 9. Again we have 2 and again we have 9. So students, which one is greater? 9 or 2? Yes, students, right. 9 is greater. So we will compare all numbers where we have 9,000 space. 9,000 space. Okay. Now compare 8. Next place is 100. Next place is 100. Okay. At 100 space we have 9 and in another number we have 2. Another number we have 2. Which one is greater? 9 or 2? Yes, right. 9 is greater. We always write greatest number in descending order. Okay. So, first number will come 89,990 and second number is 89,292. Now we will compare both numbers. Okay, now we will compare both numbers. Which one is greater in both numbers? Okay, so students, now we will start from 100 space. We will start from 100 space. Now we have at 100 space 9 in first number and in second number also we have 9. Both numbers are equal. So students, let's come on next place. And next place is, what is next place? Yes, tens is next place. Tens is next place. Okay, next tens. Okay, now compare. We have 9, 8 tens place and in another number we have 2, 8 tens place. So, which number is greater? Yes, right. 9 is greater number. 9 is greater number. So, this number is greater. Okay. Now, number is 82,990 and last number is 82,929. 929. This was the descending. Next question is 3. Question is 3. There are 45,678 men and 42,257 women and 59,179 children. Okay. In a town, that means in a kasbah. Okay. Arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. Greatest to smallest. Students, we always write greatest to smallest in descending order. Okay, so we have to write all numbers in descending order. So students, do with me. Okay, we have to compare first of all, and greatest number will come 8 first. Okay, now we have first number is 45,678 and second number is 42,257 and third number is 59,179. So students, from which place we will start? Yes, from 10,000 place we will start. Okay, now we have 4 in first number, 4 in second number, and in third number we have 5. Okay, so 5 is greater or 4? Yes, right students, 5 is greater. So this number is greatest number. The number is 59,179. Students, do with me. Okay, now we will compare from the both numbers. Okay, now we have 5 in thousands place and 2 8 thousands place. Which one is greater? Yes, 5 is greater. So we will write this number. Okay, 45,678 and the last number is 42,257. Okay students, this was the S2 arranging numbers in order. So students, okay, thanks, bye bye.